Well, things are going to get busy tomorrow as far as the weather goes. It's all because of this cutoff area of low pressure that is going to park just to our south for the next couple of days. On the north side of that, we're going to get gusty canyon winds Thursday into Friday here across northern Utah. And we are going to see a lot of rain and snow, heavy on the snow across southern Utah. For the mountains, we are going to potentially see a lot of snow piling up through the beginning of the weekend for the southern part of the state. So with that information, here's what we do know. Winter storm warnings have been issued for southern parts of our mountains and for our central mountains. And then into the Uintas, we do have winter weather advisories in place right now. 6 to 18 inches of snow for the western Uintas, 12 to 24 inches of snow for the eastern Uintas. Into central Utah, we have winter storm warnings starting at 6 a.m. Central and southern mountains, 6 to 16 inches, but check out Boulder Mountain, the potential for up to 40 inches of snowfall. Then across southern Utah, we also have a winter storm watch down towards Kanab, 2 to 4 inches of snow. But for the Bryce Canyon area, 6 to 10 inches under a winter storm warning. For the Capitol Reef area and westward, 4 to 12 inches of snow. And then for the mountains near Moab, 10 to 20 inches. So as we look at our forecast snow totals now through Saturday, we are definitely going to see our biggest impacts for our mountains across southern and central Utah, and then also into the eastern Uintas. Here in the valleys, if we see any additional precipitation, it would be rather light into tomorrow. But our main concern for the second half of this week will be wind, especially near the canyons east of I-15. Parley's Canyon further north, where we're likely going to see our biggest impacts. We are talking about 18 to 24 hours of winds gusting 50 to 60 plus miles per hour. Likely our strongest winds for Weber and Davis counties, 70 to 85 miles per hour. That is enough to cause some power outages, certainly quite a few problems with wind gusts of that caliber. As we look at satellite and radar right now here across the state, that area of low pressure is right over us, but it is going to continue moving to our south, and that is when we'll transition into more of that easterly flow. A little bit of snow going in southwest Utah for the higher terrain right now west of I-15. But as we look at the temps into tonight and tomorrow morning, 20s and 30s, we could see a little bit of snow for the Wasatch back tomorrow morning. Maybe some flurries for the morning commute, but not expecting to see the lake effect like we had this morning. And then it's all eyes on precipitation across southern Utah for Thursday, and then Thursday night into Friday especially. And then for northern Utah, we're pretty much going to be drying out. We've got the wind to get through for the next couple of days. So for Ogden, your chance of precipitation is low through the weekend. For Provo tomorrow, maybe some isolated showers on Saturday as well, but really going to be focusing on southern Utah for the bulk of our precipitation the next couple of days, with that most likely early on Friday. Temperatures in St. George, 58 tomorrow, 54 on Friday, 57 Saturday. For Salt Lake, canyon winds Thursday, Friday, nice this weekend, close to 60 degrees.